Hello viewers, welcome back. So this is our ninth video as part of our series of video of the playlist Tally's Order Management. In this video, we will take another use case scenario where the material has been received from the vendor through receipt note, and before accounting the purchase invoice, let us assume that certain goods are rejected and the goods are sent back to the vendor but on a returnable basis. So we will see how are we going to handle this in the order management cycle. If you recall, in our previous video we had returned the material and passed a debit note in case of purchase cycle to reduce the liability. In this case, we would not be reducing the liability of the purchase, whereas the defective material is being returned back and received back as an exchange or as a new item. Let us go to Tally and explore this use case scenario. How are we handling in the order cycle? For this use case scenario, the vouchers involved here will be purchase order, then receipt note, then rejection note, which is going to be the new voucher we are introducing, then again receipt note for replacement of item, and finally the purchase invoice, and later on you can make the payment voucher. I had already created a purchase order on India Trading Corporation Private Limited for 32 inches Acer monitor. So this is the purchase order number PO007. We have captured the taxes also. This is the total. So all you have to do is just save this. Now on 10th of May, the company is receiving the material, and let us create the receipt note voucher. Again, you are familiar with this voucher being linked to PO as we saw in our previous video. So let me show you the receipt note. This is the receipt note, and here again in the subscreen you will see we have linked the purchase order 007. Automatically all the item gets auto populated from the purchase order, and we are receiving the entire ordered quantity through this receipt note. So again, save this voucher. Let us now view the pending order for this party. Click on go to, just type purchase order due only, and here it will give you the list of all the purchase order. So we want to see only the purchase order pending of India Trading Corporation. So the easiest way is just click on apply filter here on the right hand side. Click here and just type India, enter, and now the pending order is blank here, since we know that we have ordered 5 numbers and all the 5 numbers have been received. Now if you want to see the cleared orders, all you have to do is remember, press F12 configure and click on show cleared purchase order. Double click to set to yes and then save this. So here we will see the cleared purchase order. Ordered quantity 5, balance quantity nil. Now if you want to see the detail, just press enter and we will see the purchase order voucher type and also the receipt note voucher type. 5 ordered and 5 received. So no pending. The store on inspection found that 2 Acer monitor displays are damaged. Hence, they would be now sending it back to the vendor for replacement. Now the goods will have to be returned through a new voucher type called rejection out. The reason for using this voucher type is that the company will be getting back a replacement item, and that total quantity will match 5 items as ordered. How do you enable this voucher type? Go to vouchers and click on other voucher on the right hand side button bar, and you will observe here that the rejection out voucher type is not getting displayed here. So come here, click on show inactive, and under inventory vouchers you will see rejection out and rejection in. So to enable this, all you have to do is just click on this. It will ask you, do you want to activate the rejection out voucher type? Just press enter or you can just click on yes. So now you will see the rejection out is there. The other way to activate is through the voucher type alteration menu as we did in our earlier video for receipt note and delivery note. Now let us pass the rejection out for two numbers of Acer monitor. Let's say the rejection was done on 11th of May. Enter. The ledger account is India Trading Corporation. The item is Acer monitor 32 inches. Now this is very important. So instead of giving a different number, let us track with the order number itself so that it becomes easy for management. Select PO order 007 and now out of 5 we are going to return two numbers. Just type 2, enter and then accept this voucher type. Now let us view the pending order report. You will now notice that the balance quantity 2 number is there. Since the two numbers have been sent back for replacement, the pending order report is showing two numbers as pending and here you will see the detail. The rejection out, two numbers have gone out. So that's how we have this pending quantity. When the replacement item is returned by the vendor, the company will receive the same again through receipt note for the difference amount. That is two numbers they are receiving back. So the voucher type is going to be used as receipt note again. So we are receiving this on 12th of May, party India Trading, and here order number is PO007. Save this, Control A, enter, and you will see that the two numbers that we have rejected is being received back. Save this receipt note. Finally, now we will account for the purchase invoice. The tracking number of receipt note will be tracked here. Change the voucher type to purchase. Enter. Supplier invoice number is 589. Party is India Trading Corporation. The receipt note, we have linked the order number itself. Just select the receipt note. Once we track the purchases, the bill should be recorded for full 5 numbers now. Accept. Control A. Notice the full quantity of 5 numbers is being now accounted for along with the tax. Just save this, Control A. This is how we can manage our order cycle with rejections. Again, we have seen this demo using the purchase cycle. You can explore the sales cycle where the vouchers involved will be sales order, delivery note. In case of rejection, it is rejection in. When you are replacing the material, then it has to be replaced through the voucher type called delivery note. And finally, account for the sales voucher. In our next video, we shall learn how companies will handle the short supply of material and its impact on pending order, and how are we going to pre-close the pending orders where the materials are not going to be supplied anymore. I hope you would have understood the complete cycle. And the important thing that you have to keep in mind is that whenever you are passing a rejection out entry, track it with the order number so it becomes much easier for you to keep track of it. And when you are receiving the replaced goods, again link to the tracking number of the order number, then your transaction will be all right. Otherwise, the order value and the purchase value, you will find differences. Okay. So thank you all once again for staying till the end. See you all in the next session. Thank you very much.